Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Instagram notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Instagram and perform your search. Tap on it. Then select Notifications option. Now, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.